this pops up first, you want to delete this blue thing here. Just hit delete, goes away. Come over, click on this thing here, far right. You'll open your iTunes library. Search the song you want. Grab it, left click, and hold it down, bring it over, drop it. And drag it back to the beginning here. And this is the loop. Put this wherever you want it. You gotta left click and drag it to where you want it at on the song. And you can make it up to 40 seconds. It don't start out as 40 seconds, so you have to drag it over to make it 40. I'll show you. Hit play to check it and make sure it's what you want to hear. That's your ringtone. Go to share. Send ringtone to iTunes. Go to tones. Should be in here somewhere. See how it popped up on its own and started playing. Right there. My computer's running slow. You have to plug your, well, as far as I know, you gotta plug your phone in and sync it. I'm gonna see if this will automatically sync up through iCloud later on today. Good luck.